It didn't do anything.
I thought he was bringing the cooler. Where's he at?
He is. You had to get everybody's drinks in it.
Oh. And y'all ditched him? Man down, man down. Katie, where'd you put that bug spray?
It's right here.
Oh my God, it's all over me. Dude.
Oh, I know, my foot is killing me.
No.
Here goes another one.
Those are cool, those stink.
Those
You
are.
see the smiley face there?
What do you think, Say? Worth a $50 investment? What do you think? Worth a $50 investment?
Oh, yeah.
We need a couple more families with getting better ones.
Oh, here goes.
Watch that, Tony. There's a little smiley face in the middle. They figured it out. It was the
I
plastic
got
thing.
it! I got the picture of
What?
the smiley face.
It was the plastic thing.
Yeah,
You have to pull it off. They're cutting it off.
It wasn't as bright as it should have been, but I got it.
Yeah.
Look, see? The eye, mouth, circle.
Hey, Bryce.
Oh,
You're rocking. It don't matter. I don't know who's the serious state truth.
That I didn't know that was going off.
is there
Good
another
job,
smiley
guys.
face?
Is that all of them?
I think there were 6
Huh?
of them, weren't there?
Yeah.
Isn't there?
There were 5.
Bryce, go get my lighter.
What's that?
I think that was only
It's
4.
upstairs on the deck on the chair.
Yeah.
Please.
Good job.
Okay. That was only 4.
What drinks are in there? Is my soda in there? I want my soda.
Dark blue.
I didn't grab the soda, I grabbed water.
Yeah. Grab water.
Where's the lighter? Oh, here's one. There's
Yeah,
one.
I only put one in there. Do you want one more?
Have water.
I put 3 waters. Who set those up?
You hold them in your hand.
Gotta make sure you give them a pie.
Awesome.
Good call. Okay, I'm gonna lay it down.
Oh,
Are we making the smiley face one now?
nope, we've already done that.
Come back tomorrow and clean up all this mess.
Yeah.
Yes. We'll come back tomorrow and do that now.
Yeah, that's
Well,
what
I
I was saying.
tried to move
Hey,
just,
Trent, is this the last
just about
smiley
everything
face?
that we shot off.
We haven't done.
Move back.
Wait, yeah, I
Last
think.
one, there's 5. We only did 4.
Hey, who wants to stand in a line and light off Roman candles
I do.
at the same time? That thing is awesome. Look at that.
I like it. I picked those out.
Bottle rocket I've ever seen.
I picked those out.
Huh? Do you have a lighter? Do you have a lighter?
And like, hold
Yeah.
it. Hold one.
It's off the top. Do you have a lighter?
Yeah, they'll let you. You'll have to hold one with Daddy, though. Okay? You and Bryce.
What's
If
the-
you guys want to hold one.
I want to hold one.
All right, here you
You
go.
have to hold them
Let
up
me
in
make sure
the
the fuse
sky.
is
You
where it
cannot
is.
hold them out. They gotta go up.
Yep. You want one? Yes.
That's the fuse.
Preferably. Yep. Fuse is there. Tony, there's one.
Me
Me too.
I'll help you do it.
Go for it.
What do I do? Upside down.
You can do it, but Daddy's gonna be there the whole time.
Come here, bud.
Do you have a lighter? So put both of y'all together and light it at the same time.
Come here,
Come on,
Landon.
get him, my people.
Bud, Dad's gonna hold it with you. Come on. You and Bryce. I'm gonna hold.
Wait, I think
It's
there were
okay.
people.
We're not going, you know what a sprinkler does? You know what a sparkler does? Or a sprinkler? You just hold it like this.
Just gotta hold it. That's all you have to do.
Dad's gonna hold your hand too. Dad's actually gonna hold it. You're gonna hold Dad's hand. You don't even have to hold this. You can hold Dad's
Does
hand.
it shoot up?
Good job, Mr. Smiley. Bottle
Yeah,
rocket,
just
guys.
shoots out. You gotta hold it straight
Yeah,
up.
2 of them were
Tony, you hold Bryce's hand.
I am. You gotta hold it straight up like this.
Oh wait a minute. Are you lighting hers too?
Yeah.
You guys spread out.
You can. Hold the other one down.
Straight out. Like that way. So you both light the fuse.
Okay. Where I'll light his and then I'll light yours.
Wait, come on.
Make sure you put them in the sky.
What?
Which end does it use? You went at the bottom, right?
No, the fuse one at the top.
Tony, the fuse is at the top.
At the top.
The fuse is at the top.
I know where the fuse is.
Okay.
Yeah, fuse at the top.
It depends on what you light, you know what I mean? The other ones you like to use at the bottom.
Fuse top. Well, no, light at the same time.
From the fuse.
From the fuse. So the fuse goes on top. Right, fuse goes up top. Yep.
Hold them in the sky.
Y'all ready?
Some can be more spread out.
Some of them are ready. Hold it. You got it, girl. Hold on tight. There it goes. There it goes.
Good job, buddy. You did it.
Ours didn't have a whole bunch in it.
Ours
Really?
right here.
Yes, it did. I
Okay,
counted them for you.
One did it.
Kind of jerks you.
Here you go.
The
Good,
first
good
shot.
job. High
It
five.
kind of shot you.
Did you like that?
That kind of hurt though.
I know, like it kind of shot you. Like at first I was like, oh no, I'm gonna drop it.
cool.
Because it just jerks you. And it's boom. Was that cool?
No, it's not bad at all.
That 8-pack costs like $10.
I know.
Really?
Yep.
That's not a bad deal.
It hurts your arm. It hurts your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, it jerks my arm.
The gun. It backfires on you.
Yeah.
Ben, you want the next one? Where'd you go?
Ben. Huh? Hey, Trent, don't shine it at me.
All those Roman candles for an 8-pack of Roman candles are about $10.
I
You can't lean on Mommy because she's got baby belly, bud.
Well, you cannot lean back.
It hurts the baby. Hey, I had a lighter in my seat.
Sit on it.
I think that's the one that doesn't work.
Yep, it is.
What are you guys doing?
I need to go win. That would have been in the back of my car too. I'm like, ah.
That's some deep.
That, those Roman candles were good though.
Right up in the air.
Yeah, make sure it's solid. Make sure it doesn't fall over like the last one.
Is this a big one, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Courtney, get the video game? Go, girl.
I don't think I got the Roman candle. Katie, purple. Katie, I saw purple.
$5.
No.
Hey, Dad, which one was that? Dad, which
Yeah.
one was that?
Star Spangled Banner.
It didn't really have a lot of red, white, and blue.
Oh. No, maybe the Stars right.
Woo! Dad,
Oh, it's a cut. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Hey, what is this? A challenge? Yeah, I just took that out. That one that we just lit. Let's put it right there. Okay, good job. But careful, dude. It could be hot. I felt it.
which one's this?
Joker. The Joker. I know, dude.
This one's the Joker. What's the Joker do? I don't know. Dad,
Yeah.
guys, what's the Joker do?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
All right, who's taking it out? Well, no. You want to see if Tony and Bryce want to take it out?
Take what out?
You go with Dad, Landon?
Yeah.
I got him. Trust me.
Crap out there.
Huh?
Crap out there. So they will run. You have to run.
They are fine. I will take care of it. Landon, do you want to go with Dad? Right?
He's smart.
Dad's not going
What?
It says,
Can't see
well,
it.
we lost the light.
Trent,
Who's going? You going?
they are?
Alright.
Okay.
Wick.
Okay, guys.
Oh, that was cool.
What? I'm gonna see.
That is cool. I like that.
That was so
Let me
hard to
see.
get that picture.
Oh, that is so cool. I like
Yeah.
that.
Tell me.
I never said that. Woo! Okay. Challenge. We have so many more. Watch.
You need to take my son out. Teach him how to shoot. You got it?
Is that the Joker?
Yeah.
Joker?
Yeah, it's the Joker.
Yeah, I was going out there doing it because I didn't want to watch it.
There's a place called Don's Guns in town, and he rents all of his guns $10 a pop. Cows. Oh, they are freaking sweet. One's nickel plate.
Oh,
Gold plate.
Sparkly!
so that's what I'm talking about. Joker. That's Joker.
Whoa!
Trey, you got lots of ambers coming down.
Rockin'!
That was awesome!
That was the Joker.
Again!
Want to do that again? Okay, what's your turn? Everybody's turn.
Dad, you need to
Can I do that?
Did they leave the light on in the basement?
Probably.
Some of those ambers made it to the ground.
Huh?
Some of those ambers made it to the ground.
Hey, Dad, I'm gonna do one.
Yeah, I'm going to take Katie first, and then me and Cole.
And then me and my dad.
Katie?
again.
You want to go?
Do that with
No, I just want to do it.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Okay.
Hey,
Are
Mom.
you doing Purple Passion?
I am doing.
Can you do that?
I am doing Winner's Luck.
Oh, can you purple
Hold it.
No. It's a bigger one.
Hey, Courtney, how do you stop this? You have it recording still.
Yeah, it's still recording.
How do I stop it?
There's a button over here.
Don't worry.
Why?
We're going to share the
I'm not
wealth.
gonna
with
record
everybody.
it.
Why?
Okay.
Please.
These are cool. I need a lighter.
Where's your lighter?
You ready, babe? Alright, lighter. I mean, flashlight.
I'm not going to let anything happen to either one of them. Relax.
Did you see if that amber went out and landed in the yard?
Okay.
I gotta hold up the pack of the
I
car
didn't
still.
hide it. I just put my hand on my dad's.
This is actually your pack.
Whatever. No, it's not. I don't have a bag.
Oh, sorry.
Turn around and watch.
Oh!
Again. Aren't you watching or are you
Okay, Courtney.
texting?
I was taking pictures.
Did you get it?
Liar. What do you think, killer?
I
She never
like
said
watching
anything.
it better than recording.
Oh, that's good.
What?
We can crop that down. We can crop it down. Y'all take as many pictures as you want. We can make an album out of it.
Yeah, I know. I saw it.
Okay. You can-
Courtney held my hand and
Yeah, I
I
held
let
the
it.
hand.
Yeah, she held my hand
That's
and
what
I
I
let
did
it.
with him.
That's
Yeah.
what Bryce did with Daddy.
Yeah. So if you want to.
So if you want to, if you don't want to, you don't have to.
Is that my beer?
Who's lighting them now?
I don't know who's up. Actually, I think there's a lighter over here.
Who to?
If you and Dad go back, I don't want you, Dad, and Bryce. I don't want all three of them out there.
Huh? Okay.
Want to go ahead.
One blow up on the ground. Did you see that? Yeah. Dad, your beer's over here. All right, thank you.
I guess I'll go after you guys.
You want to go, Dad?
What was that?
I'll carry you out there, but I can't hold you while I light it. Okay, hey, okay. Don't start freaking out. If you say you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay. But don't start kicking. Okay. You don't have to, buddy. Daddy told you don't have to.
Dad, I don't want to videotape anymore. I like watching it better.
Okay, turn it off.